Guys, Mark here, back at Shapiro TV, and we're doing absolutely some cool ass shit right now. We're gonna give you the difference between what a cap rate is versus a cash on cash versus a return on investment, okay? Now, we like to actually use cap rates to really kind of drive us into where we wanna be on a piece of property, because the cap rate is an indication of what our NOI is, and that's gonna give us our return of our capital, our capitalization rate based on our NOI. So we know if we buy a property for X and we improve it to Y, and we're going to get the next level of income, and let me write that on the board, okay? So we buy a property, let's say we pay 10 million for a property, we put 2 million in it, that means our basis is gonna be 12 million. We know that we can push our income up, so we're gonna move our income or our NOI up, and we're gonna move our NOI up to, let's say, a $700,000 number, and we're gonna do it times a 5 cap. That's gonna give us a $14 million value, all right? How did I get that? Well, if it's 10, it's 7, and if it's 5, it's 14. So we use that NOI as our driver because that's how we can do our back of the napkin analysis very, very quick. But when people want to know what they're getting on a dollar for dollar return, they look at what a cash on cash is. So if I put $1,000 into something and I got 5% on it, that means I got $50, okay? So that $50 is my cash on cash return on my $1,000. So if I put $1,000 into a deal and I made $50, that's my 5% return, all right? But the last one, the return on investment, that's the key indicator. Why do we buy real estate? We buy it for tax savings, cash flow, and appreciation. So now we're talking the cash flow and the appreciation together, and that gives us our return on investment. And what we're gonna do, our next segment, we're gonna talk about our IRR, which is internal rate of return. And we're gonna do a full segment on that. But your return on investment is going to be the appreciable value plus the cash flow. Together, that's gonna give you your ROI. So everything in real estate is data driven. Everything in real estate is measurable, okay? Like sports. In baseball, we measure everything. The distance the ball goes, the velocity, how fast the pitcher pitches, how fast you get from home to first to second, all of it. I mean, there's metrics on everything. In real estate, there's metrics on everything. And the data is never, ever gonna lie to you. You just have to learn how to interpret it. So if you'd like to learn more about real estate, how to interpret data, how to scale your multifamily portfolio, DM me the word real estate, and let's go!